Hey there, today we're going to be making a twist on a classic in honor of our favorite security research organization, MITRE. That's right, buckle up for the MITREita. All right, so we have some key ingredients here for our MITREita. 1 jalapeno seeded and sliced, half an English cucumber sliced, a couple of limes, sea salt flakes, and half a cup of lime juice. And most importantly, we have our Cointreau, or other orange flavored liquor, and silver tequila. So then we're gonna put all of our ingredients into a jar that can be sealed and pop it into the refrigerator. Jalapenos, cucumber, in the jar preferably, half a cup of lime juice, then a 1/4 cup of our Cointreau. Then, most importantly, half a cup of tequila. Next, we're gonna pop it into the fridge for about an hour. The longer that you leave it in the refrigerator, the spicier and more intense it's gonna be. Just like an attack on your system that goes unattended. So right before the hour is up, we're gonna go ahead and get our glasses ready to go. All right, so I took my lime, quartered it, just gonna run it around the rim of the glass here, flip it over, put it into our salt flakes. There we go. MITREita time. All right, we are chilled and ready to serve. Pour it over your ice with your salted glass. All right, and now it's time to garnish with your very own MITRE hat.
Garnishes go on the drinks.
What? Garnish your glass with lime and a cucumber. There you have it, the perfect framework for your perfect summer drink, MITREita.